welcome to the ZonGuru tools. My name is Kimberly. I'm the Customer Success Manager here, and I just wanted to walk you through the ZonGuru agency dashboard and how to navigate and connect your files to Amazon. So I'm in the demo version at the moment. You can see I've already connected 3 sub-accounts. So if you're logging in for the first time, you won't have that data there just yet. But when you do log in for the first time, I would highly recommend jumping in the top here, changing your password, set it to whatever you want it to be, and this is what you're going to share with your team, anyone on your team that needs to have full access to all the sub-accounts and all the data. When you log in, you'll be able to change the date range that you like to see here, and just something really cool, once you are connected and that data is pulling through, you can actually click on any of these metrics to see that trend graph over time, which can be really helpful. You can of course export it to CSV if you want to use it in your own internal reports. And something to note, you'll notice the number of available seats here and how many you've used. If you're ready to allocate a seat to a sub-account, a brand, a client, simply click Add Client here and follow the prompts. And to jump into a particular file at any time, all you need to do is click the Login button here. Once you've done that, you'll be navigated into the file itself, and this is where all the ZonGuru tools and the data specific for that client sit. Now, to get all that data happening, you really do need to connect to Amazon. It's very quick and easy, especially if you have Seller Central login access on their behalf. Simply go again to the top right. This is where the settings are. Click Connect and simply click on whatever marketplace, that region that you need to connect to, and follow the prompts. If you don't have Seller Central access on behalf of your client, have a look at the quick start guide. There's step-by-step instructions in there that you can work with your client to set that up. Again, it only needs to be done once. If you have any team members, or if you want to invite the client into that file and not see any of the other data or any other sub-accounts, you can also do this here using the Assistant Manager screen. Simply input the email address and what you'd like to give them permissions for. I know many clients like to be invited in. They often get that business dashboard view so they can just look at and see how their business is tracking it. There's some very helpful metrics here. Of course, you can switch from different accounts. It opens on different tabs, so it's just a matter of jumping between screens if you want to go back and then go into a different file here. Of course, if you get stuck at any stage, you've got your private Slack channel. Just reach out for priority support, and I urge you to jump on that onboarding call. We can run through this in more detail. The other thing you'll notice is that little alerts may pop up from time to time if you need to take action or if you reach those tool limits. Okay, all the best for now, and I hope to speak to you soon.